Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and today we're doing a make it yourself May collab. I'm so excited because Anne over at What's Up Family Home, one of my favorite YouTube channels, is hosting Make It Yourself May. I have always wanted to try cake decorating. It's something that was really intimidating for me, but lately I'm all about doing new things in the kitchen. So I got this on Amazon for $13, and today we are going to make it myself carrot cake. If you're ready, press the like button and let's get to work. Okay, the cake is out of the oven and completely cooled. I got this set from Amazon for $13. Let's see what I can do. I have some coconut for the top. I have some walnuts also. There's my cakes. Here's my cream cheese frosting. I made a double batch. Instructions. Here is the turntable. What? Here's some accessories and there's some piping bags. I am super excited. An added surprise, I picked these up at Easter at Dollar Tree. These little gummy carrots. Aren't they adorable? And look at these carrots. I think I'm gonna put these in the top. Let's do this. As prices increase, I am trying to get my skills in the kitchen to the next level. I've never tried cake decorating before, but it's always been interesting to me. The big fear for me is getting over the anxiety of trying something new in the kitchen or in life, really. Life is too short to hold back. I have the fan going in my kitchen because it is really hot in here. The cake looks already prettier than most of the cakes I've frosted. I don't really know. I think it looks great so far. This is the crumb coat. I've never done any professional-ish cake baking. Never done anything like this before, but it is okay to try new things. Speaking of trying new things, the frosting is so good. Woo! Okay, in this little bag of tricks here, I don't know if I can get this open. We have the little cake smoother. I'm so excited for this. This cake decorating kit was not expensive. A reusable pastry bag, loads of tips, loads. And I've been watching some tutorials on YouTube as well. Cool, and then this looks like a little, these are for the tips, and then a little scrubber. The tip that seems to be the go-to for most new cake decorators, which is definitely me, never used a pastry bag before, is a star tip, so I'm gonna look for that one. I am making this cake for my recovery meeting. One of my friends has 4 years of sobriety and I am so proud of him. He requested a homemade carrot cake and I was happy to oblige. I have been low-key obsessed with watching cake tutorials on YouTube for beginners. It's a great way to learn. These gummy carrots are the cutest things ever. Cakes from a bakery are so expensive these days. Even a grocery store cake with happy birthday written on it is out of my budget. I spent $3 on the carrot decorations. I bought a carrot cake mix, put raisins and walnuts in the cake mix to make it a little extra fancy, and made the cream cheese frosting from scratch. I'll put a link to the recipe I used down below in the description box. And now the dark side of YouTube, which I always like to show. It's crazy. Still though, you know what? I'm pretty proud of that little cake. Let's go visit it in the fridge. Let's go visit it in the fridge. There it is. Looking so cute and fine and all that. I realized though that little bottom layer thing is gonna come off when I lift the cake and I need to put some more walnuts up top, but I will do that. And it's gonna be fabulous. Look how cute it is. I learned some great lessons making this cake. It's kind of sliding off to one side because my kitchen was too hot. Here's a picture of my buddy who had 4 years of sobriety with his cake. His smile was so huge. He was so proud of his anniversary date. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of the video. The whole point of this new cake decorating hobby is that it's okay to try new things, and it's okay to not be perfect at them the first time around. Thank you again for watching, and remember everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye! Hopefully you don't drop this, oh my goodness! Bye-bye!